dishwasher is ready to go. I don't have this pump connected to my sink because I want it just free. And so I actually poured water in here. And then here, this is where the dishwasher detergent goes. So let's go ahead and start it. So close. And then here are the controls. Can be normal, heavy, quick, and then also wash baby bottles or even fruit. Clean the inside of the machine, drain the water, dry, which is it blows the hot air. And then let's go ahead and get started. So this is the amount of time it will take. So for normal, and you can see it blinking, I'm gonna do a normal wash and see how the dish is packed in there. And then just hit start. So here you can see this current status. This is pre-wash, and then how long the cycle's gonna take. Yay!